Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reprogram your Infiniti Q50 key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you intend to program. It's crucial to have them all present before you begin. Also, confirm your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. Finally, familiarize yourself with your car's ignition and door lock controls, as you will be using them frequently throughout this simple procedure. To begin, make sure all your vehicle's doors are securely closed and unlocked. Next, insert your key into the ignition and quickly remove it. You'll need to repeat this action 10 times within a swift 10-second period. After successfully completing this sequence, your hazard lights will flash 2 times, indicating that your Infiniti Q50 has now entered the key fob programming mode. Now that your vehicle is in programming mode, take your first key fob. Within 5 seconds, press any button on it just 1 time. The hazard lights will flash once, confirming that this specific key fob has been successfully programmed. If you have more than 1 key fob, simply repeat this exact step for each additional fob you wish to program, ensuring each one registers correctly. To exit the programming mode, simply open and then close the driver's side door. This action signals to your Infiniti Q50 that the programming sequence is complete. Now, it's time to test each of your newly programmed key fobs. Verify that all functions, such as locking and unlocking, operate as expected. If any issues arise, don't worry. You can always repeat the entire process from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.